Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make Keerai Poriyal. It's a South Indian stir fry where I use coconut. It's easy and quick. Welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. To make this Keerai Poriyal, all you need is 3 cups greens. So today I use the Bok Choy. It's very in low calories, and onion, garlic, coconut, and for the tempering. So in the wok I add about 1 teaspoon oil, and I'm going to add the tempering. Once the tempering is splattering, we can add the chilies and garlic, chopped onion, and we're going to give a nice saute. Once it's sauté and a little bit translucent, we're going to add the coconut. So I use the grated fresh coconut today. So I'm just give a nice saute. I'm going to add the salt. So friends, please watch the salt because the spinach or greens already have natural salt inside that the leaves itself. So please always consume less salt when you make that spinach or any greens stir fries. So I give a nice stir fry, and now it's done friends. The water is all gone. This is the right time we need to take out. Now we can serve in a serving bowl. This dish is so perfect for the South Indian vegetarian thali. So friends, look at this. This is I made. I have 2 different poriyal. One is eggplant and one is the greens poriyal. So this poriyal is very low in calorie. You won't believe that whole that we made only 35 to 40 calories. So friends, this is so good, so delicious, and it goes so well for our South Indian thali. So friends, please check on the description below to get all the recipe, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.